Okay guys, Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to hold your ninth chord, how to create your ninth chord and 7th chord. Okay, I had the request on my comment section. Okay, on how to get your ninth chord. Okay, so I'm going to make some clear understanding and breakdown for you guys. Very simple, and how ninth chords are being formed. Okay, so I'm going to do the lesson in the key of F. Okay, so if it's the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a video like this. Okay guys, so if you like the video, you can hit on the like button. Okay, give a shout out, the thanks shout out. I'm going to really appreciate that. Okay, so guys, this is the key of F, do, and this is the F7. Okay, this is the F7. When you add your do, that makes it the 7th chord. Okay, that makes it the 7th chord. Why is it called F7? It's because you're holding a major chord, a major do now, okay, which contains your do, mi, do, do, mi, do. This mi makes it a major, okay, because it's just like holding your normal do chord, like, okay, just like holding your normal do chord, okay, just like holding your normal do chord, but instead of the saw to pronounce, you add the to. Okay, you add the to. That's why it's called F7. Okay, this to now is 7 notes. Okay, like if you count from your do 1, re 2, mi 3, 4, va 4, so 5, si la 6, then to is a minor 7. Okay, then YT is the main 7. Okay, T, La is a 6, T is a 7, Y, Do is a minor 7th, okay, because it's a diminished note, okay. So if you hold it with a major chord, it's gonna give you F7 chord, okay. It's gonna give you F7. While if you hold it with T, it's gonna give you F major 7, because T is a major really 7, is a 7th note, so it's a major note of that 7, while the do is a minor note of that 7. That's why it's called F7. Okay, then T is a major 7. Then I'm going to show you the minor 7 also. Okay, so if you want to hold your T, the F major 7, you're going to hold it this way, so you can hold it like this. Okay, you bar between the so ti mi, then you hold your do and mi. Okay, that is your major 7. The only thing that makes it a major 7 is this T adding with the major note. Okay, you apply, instead of the do, you put the T, that makes it a major 7. Okay, so you can only hold it here like this. Okay, I hold it here on this shape. Add the T. Okay, so for the minor 9, for the 9th chord, okay, this is your 9th chord. This is your F9. Okay, so how do you get your F9? This is your do 1, re 2, mi 3, va 4, so 5, la 6, T 7, then do 8, then 9, and then re again 9. Okay, so in jazzy sound, in jazzy chord progression, in the verse, your repeated re will be called the 9 notes. Okay, it will be called the 9th note when you are holding it with your major chord. Okay, when you are holding it with your major chord. You know, this is a do, mi, do, re. Okay, this was the F7. So adding your re now will make it a 9. Okay, and now remember, this was minus 7. This was a do, which is a minus 7, and this is a re. Re is the 2 notes in the normal major scale. Okay, raise the 2 note in the normal major scale. So if you add 7 plus 2, that will be 9. That will be 9 numbers. Okay. So in other words, if you calculate that way, if you hold it your major, your F major like this, okay, it's going to give you an F9 chord. Okay, it's going to give you an F9 chord. Okay. So this F9 chord is mostly used when you are playing and when you want to play this chord there, this note here, so just like playing something like that. Okay. Now this is how you hold it. Do, mi, do, re. Okay. So that applies to any key and any position as long as you can hold your fingers. You can place your fingers very well. Okay. Okay. You can place your fingers very well. That applies to all. Okay. That is your F9. Okay, that's the F9. So I don't want to make the video more longer than this, and wherever you don't understand, you drop it on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply and make it clear to you. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.